Namaste everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel Math Art Studio. Today I am elaborating further the concept of enlargement using different kind of patterns of a square. Let us see that one. And square are basically made of straight line. That's why this is the topic under straight line pattern itself. I hope you will enjoy it and your student will love this type of presentation and they would be motivated learning maths. Be with me throughout the video. Thank you. Take a rectangular sheet of paper and here to draw two intersecting lines at right angle. And divide them into equal interval. For example, here I am taking 2 cm equals to 1 unit. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And here too, the same thing, same units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So today I am using the side property, the property of side in constructing a square. For this one, what I do is that this is 1 unit and here too 1 unit and making right angle over here. That way you construct the square. Just to construct the square, let us do as the object square over here. And as this square has the side given, the area of this square is, so the area of this square, let's write this is the square 1, okay, and it has the center at O, and in this one area of square 1 is equal to 1 square equals to 1 because side is 1. Now double the side and enlarge it at the center O. So you know, so this is 2 units longer and that's also 2 units longer. We say that this square is enlarged onto that one. And you can multiply it by 3, the side by 3 over here, 3 and 3 over here, and you can construct another square. The second one is the enlargement of number 1 by the scale factor 2, and third one is the enlargement of this square by the scale factor 3. Just to make it a bit distinct, let's color this. You know, the one which is colored over here is the object figure. This object is enlarged onto that one. Let's discuss some of the properties of enlargement which we did not discuss in our previous video. Let this square be OABC and that one is OA dash, B dash, C dash, and that one be A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. Now look at here. The vertices A dash and A double dash lie on the same line. And here too the vertices B dash, B double dash lie on one line. Let's draw this line by red pencil, you know. See. And here the vertices C, C dash and C double dash also lie on the same line. So what does it mean? It means to us is that, you know, in enlargement, the object and image lie on the same line that passes through the center of enlargement. Let me write that conclusion over here. In enlargement, the object vertex and the image, corresponding image, vertex that lie, they lie on the same line passing through the center. This can be visualized over here. in these vertices A dash, A double dash in this line, B dash, B double dash in the red line, and C dash and C double dash in that perpendicular line, like that, So that important property is generalized by this one. So this is particularly important. This one is important when you are given one figure over here and its enlarged image over here. So where is the center of enlargement? Then you have to identify this one is the object point, that is the image point, and let me say this one is the object point and that one is the image point. Then what do? You draw the line through those points and through these points and see they intersect at this point, and this point of intersection is the center of enlargement. So to find that center of enlargement when you are given the enlarged figure, then this generalization helps us at that situation. Now let's see another situation. It is not the case the figure be like this in the same quadrant if they are in the different quadrant, enlarged in the different quadrant. How will you explain that one? That's very important and interesting as well. Well, so let us see something different. In this case you have again the two intersecting lines, and in this one the square object square is in the first quadrant and the enlarged square is over here. And next time it is somewhere here, Then, can you tell me which transformation explains these two figures such that it is the enlargement of this figure is the enlargement of this? Situation may arise like that. In that situation, just to help you to have some artistic and animated generalization, what we do is that in this case only one transformation cannot explain the situation. In that case what we have done is here, this triangle is enlarged with certain scale factor over this, so that the object and image points lie on the same line as we generalized just before. And after that what do? This is given a kind of rotation over there. So to explain this, the enlargement and scale factor, here the scale factor is 3, 1, 2, 3, So this enlargement can be explained as the enlargement of this by the scale factor 3 at the center O or somewhere here, and then the rotation of 90 degree in positive direction about that point. It may be explained as 3/4 turn this way also, you can do that way also. Or simply it's a square and you can think of the reflection. Once you have just enlarge it over here, then you can give the reflection. Enlarge it over here and give another reflection in this line. That will come over here. And this way you can explain it by the combination of two different kind of transformation. The first one is the enlargement and the next one is either the rotation or the translation in this case. And there might be other cases as well. So just to entertain you and keep your student engaged, I have similar thing over here. Look, this one is enlarged onto that. Exactly in the same way what I did before. Here reflection does not help us very much. So what we do is we enlarge it over here first and then rotate, and enlarge it over here and then rotate to this one, enlarge over here and then rotate to this one, and all these things are done by using straight line patterns. Therefore, pattern generalization in mathematics help us to make our learning full of fun and excitement. No? So that's what, if we create a joyful environment to the students, they would be motivated learning maths, and mathematics learning to them would be the subject of their one interest. So that is the objective of our presentation. Thank you, dear friends, being with me in my YouTube channel, Math Art Studio. Keep watching it, be with us, and you'll have an opportunity to have different kind of similar fun-filled and entertaining maths videos to help your student learn maths in joyful and child-friendly manner.